Even as Narendra Modi staked claim to form the next government, the suspense over what rank is in store for LK Advani still remains. Even though it's a long queue to Modi's cabinet, the onus is now on the PM designate to decide what role to give to the senior-most leader of the BJP.
It was him who was chosen as the man who would propose Narendra Modi's name as the parliamentary party leader of the BJP.
मैं गुजरात के लोकप्रिय व यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के नाम का प्रस्ताव करता हूं.
And as Narendra Modi walked a step closer to 7 RCR, he was driven to tears as he referred to a statement made by LK Advani.
मैं अडवाणी से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि वो शब्द उपयोग न करें. उन्होंने कहा नरेंद्र भाई ने कृपा की. क्या मां की सेवा कभी कृपा हो सकती है?
In an emotionally charged environment, as the duo came together to forget bitter rivalries from the past, the question of which post LK Advani will get still remains unanswered.
While LK Advani is keen on getting the post of Speaker in Narendra Modi's government simply because of the fact that he will then not have to report to anybody, and particularly the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, there is another view within the party. That is that it is indeed a very time-consuming job. As far as the RSS is concerned, they have already conveyed their views on LK Advani's position in Narendra Modi's government and stated very clearly that he should be given a mentorship and a respectable role and avoid any kind of hitch in the end.
They've come a long way from the Goan coronation, when LK Advani had strongly opposed Modi's candidature. But now, as the onus on what role Advani will get lies on Narendra Modi, this can emerge into a major bone of contention yet again. Bureau Report, Times Now.